Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can share screen on Skype. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To share screen on Skype, the first thing you'll need to do is go to your Skype application and tap it on from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed in to Skype first, and once you are in, from the chat screen, tap on a contact and start by making a phone call or a video call. In order to call the person, go to the top right corner of the screen and you can either choose video call option or simply an audio call option. Select anyone and call a contact on Skype. Once the contact picks up your call, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from the expanded menu, tap on Share Screen. Tap on Start Now, and right after you do that, you'll be able to share screen on Skype. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.